Hi boys and girls, welcome back. Today we are going to be talking about multiplying and dividing integers. So, before we get started, I just want to reiterate again that we are taking Cornell notes. So if you don't remember how to write the Cornell notes, make sure you look back at your other notes that we've done and use them as examples. And I have pictures of what they should look like at the end of the video. I don't want to be checking your notes tomorrow and see lots of you not do the correct notes. So make sure they're in the right format. Alright, so our objective for today is I will be able to multiply and divide integers. So multiplying integers, so first thing that we can remember, our first rule is a negative times a negative equals a positive. A negative times a positive equals a negative, right? And then the opposite of that, a positive times a negative equals a negative. And as we already know, a positive times a positive equals a positive. So, if the signs are the same, so negative times a negative or positive times a positive, that means it's going to be positive every time. If the signs are different, that means they're going to be negative every time. So let's look at some examples. So 3 times negative 2. So 3 times 2 is 6. And since the signs are different, that means that's negative. So negative 6. Negative 4 times negative 4. Well, 4 times 4 is 16. Since they're both negative, it's positive 16. So negative 4 times negative 4 is equal to positive 16. Negative 10 times 4. Well, 10 times 4 is 40. And since the signs are different, we know that it's negative. So negative 40. 8 times 3, we already know this. 8 times 3 is 24. The signs are the same, so that means they're positive. Our dividing integers, you're going to find out that the rules are exactly the same as multiplying. So once you have one down, you got them both. So negative divided by a negative is equal to a positive. So the signs are the same, so they're positive. A negative divided by a positive equals a negative. So the signs are different, they're negative. Same thing, the opposite. A positive divided by a negative equals a negative. And then a positive divided by a positive equals a positive. That's something we've been doing for a while now. So if the signs are the same, the answer is positive. If the signs are different, the answer is negative. So once again, here's some examples. So negative 10 divided by negative 2. The signs are the same, so that means it's positive. 10 divided by 2 is 5. Negative 12 divided by 2 is equal to negative 6 because the signs are different. 12 divided by 2 is 6. The signs are different, so that means it's negative. 16 divided by negative 4 is equal to negative 4. So the signs are different. So 16 divided by 4 is 4. Since they're different, that means it's going to be negative. And last, 100 divided by 10 equals 10. The signs are the same, so that means it's automatically going to be positive. So I know that was just a quick little lesson. Once you get those rules down, you guys are going to be pros at this. So please remember, don't forget to write down 2 questions. You do get graded for those 2 questions, so don't, 2 easy points just to write down questions. So something that you want clarified or anything really about this video, you can write down a question about. And then once again, here are my notes. So if you need to look at them to make sure that they have the Cornell style, I may know mine has a number line on it. We're going to talk about number lines later, so don't worry about it if you don't have this part right here. I know that we didn't do a number line in this video. Okay, so and notice I have questions on mine, so there needs to be, well, a question section. So you need to have a question section at the end. Some of you have been putting it at the beginning, at the end, with 2 questions about the video. Alright, so please make your notes this way, this style. So thank you very much for actively listening to this video, and bring any questions or concerns that you have to class tomorrow. Have a good day.